A closer look now. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp says he is prioritizing hurricane relief efforts in 2025. This as some communities in our area are still recovering from big storms like Debby and Helene. WSAV's Sarah Smith has what people need and what can be done to help.
The 2024 hurricane season is officially over, and much of our area was impacted by big storms like Debby and Helene, completely changing the landscape in some areas. But what can be done, if anything, to support those local communities to prepare for hurricane season and also find some sort of relief once the storms pass?
One of our biggest challenges was housing.
That's housing for people who live in Effingham County following major storms during the 2024 hurricane season. Emergency Management Coordinator Shanna Smith says the county is dealing with $2.5 million in damage following Hurricane Helene. Tropical storm Debby also leading to severe flooding in the area, $1.6 million in damages from that storm. Governor Kemp says he has a plan for Georgia going into 2025, a plan to prioritize relief efforts. In Effingham, Smith says they have needs that can certainly be met with money from the state.
I think we have like 18 generators that are still waiting to be approved by FEMA. So I would like to see that money come back so that we can get generators.
Effingham is still cleaning up debris from Helene, but Smith says she's thankful they didn't have it as bad as surrounding counties. If they receive money from the state, she says they'll also use it to push out education to the community.
Going, 2, 3, 7 days without power, that's not really ideal for a lot of us, and it really just changes the whole dynamic of how we live our life during that time.
Some lawmakers say that package could look very similar to what they agreed on following Hurricane Michael in 2018. That was $470 million, much of that money going towards assisting farmers, something officials have already agreed on loan plans for. Reporting in Savannah, Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3, on your side.